Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see PhD admissions opening in IISER Mohali for the academic year 2021. They are offering PhD programs in the following areas: biological sciences, chemical sciences, physical sciences, earth and environmental sciences, and humanities and social sciences. For the session beginning in January 2021, and candidates, if you are interested in interdisciplinary areas, you can also apply. Now we will see eligibility criteria for each disciplines. For biological sciences, the applicant should have a master's degree, BTech, MBBS, or MTech or MPharm with a good academic record, at least 60% and above, and should be GATE or CSIR or UGC NET, GIST, GPAT, ICMR, JRF, DBT JRF, DBT BINC, ICAR NET, and DST Inspire qualified in the relevant subject. Notice from the Department of Biological Sciences: all applications for August 2020 are to be considered for January 2021 admissions. Candidate who applied for August 2020 PhD admissions for biological sciences need not reapply. So if you have already applied in August 2020, you no need to apply again in January 2021. For chemical sciences, the eligibility criteria is: applicant should have a master's degree or BTech or MBBS, MTech, MPharm with a good academic record, at least a high second class, and should be GATE, CSIR or UGC NET, GIST, GPAT, ICMR, DBT JRF, DBT BINC, ICAR NET, DST inspired qualified in the relevant subject. So it's same as biological sciences, and mostly it is common for other disciplines also. And there is your notice from Department of Chemical Sciences. Please note that previous applications submitted for August 2020 admission in chemical sciences are no longer valid and will not be reconsidered for January 2021 admission. All the candidates who have submitted their applications for August 2020 admission in chemical sciences are requested to submit a new application. An individual email has been sent to all applicants from August 2020 admission cycle. So for biological sciences, they have mentioned if you have applied for August 2021, then they mentioned no need to reapply for January 2021. But for chemical sciences, if you have applied already in August 2020, you have to reapply. The application which you sent in August 2020 will not be valid. They are asking you to send again if you are interested to do PhD for in the coming session. For physical sciences, the eligibility criteria is: the applicant should have a master's degree, BTech, MBBS, MTech with a good academic record, at least a high second class, and should be GATE, CSIR or UGC NET, GIST, GPAT, ICMR, JRF, and DBT JRF, DBT BINC, ICAR NET, DST Inspire qualified in the relevant subject. Earth and environmental sciences, an applicant should have a master's, BTech, MTech degree in atmospheric sciences, earth and environmental sciences, geology, chemistry, physics, environmental biotechnology, biological sciences, geophysics, meteorology, hydrology, climate sciences, mathematics, remote sensing, computer sciences, artificial intelligence, data sciences, and should have a valid GATE, CSIR, UGC NET, DST Inspire fellowship. For humanities and social sciences, an applicant should have MA, MSc or MPhil degree with minimum 55% for general and OBC category and minimum 50% for SC, ST and PD category in one or more of the following subjects: sociology, anthropology, geography, modern Indian history, urban history, political economy, general studies, urban studies, English literature, development studies, South Asian studies. Apart from applying online, an applicant must send a statement of proposed research. It should contain minimum 1500 words to the following email: So apart from applying online, you have to send your statement of proposed research contains 1500 words to the following email ID, mentioning the broad subject area, history, literature, geography, etc. as the subject of the email, failing which the application may not be considered for shortlisting. This email address is meant only for sending the statement of proposed research. Having qualified UGC, NET, NET-JRF, GATE or any other national level eligibility test is required at the time of PhD application submission. The candidates who have not yet qualified, including those who are awaiting list, any of the above mentioned national eligibility tests will not be shortlisted. For English literature, only candidates with UGC NET JRF will be considered. An application procedure will be, you should apply online using online application facility by visiting the website at iisarmohalli.ac.in. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for screening test, an online interview at IISER Mohali. We'll see this online application facility. Okay. So you can click here to apply. Here you can mention what you are applying for, PhD admission Jan 2021. Here enter your mail ID. Then this letters you can enter, then submit. And last date and time for submission is October 21, 2020 and 12 noon. So we have already seen the last date. Now we'll see the instructions to apply. And these are the instructions to be followed for online application. Select PhD admissions January 2021 and enter your valid email address to register. We have seen before. This email ID will be used for your correspondence. Once you register, the login information with password will be sent to your email. Provide the same login, email ID and password at the login page. Then a prompt for password would appear when you enter your email ID and click submit. All fields marked by the star or mandatory. Your application will not be complete without filling these mandatory details. While filling the online application, if your browser closes unexpectedly or if you have logged out, please use the login information sent to your email to continue filling your application. All the applicants must read frequently answered questions PhD January 2021 before filling up the application. This is because the frequently asked questions section has important instructions about your year of graduation, percentile, etc. Then you can click help button option at top left in each page of application to view the instructions for filling the application. Move your mouse over the green icon besides each field for help if you require. Then after filling the application, click save to save your entries at each page of application. Once you finish entering all the details and click save button, a preview of all pages is shown for you to cross-check with your entries with your submit button. Form will only be submitted after clicking on submit. Note that you cannot make any changes after that. Once application is submitted, no correspondence recording, correction, addition to the application form will be entertained. After you submit the form, download report PDF link is provided for you to download your application and take a printout copy. The print copy should be duly signed by the applicant with date. You need to affix a passport size photograph in the space provided and submit the print copy at the time of interview. Fully completed, submitted online application are strongly required to consider your application. The last date, end date for filling the application is October 21, 2020 at 12 p.m. noon. Applicants are strongly advised to complete and submit their applications well ahead of the deadline. The institute will not be responsible for any last minute problems such as your poor internet connectivity. Incomplete applications will be rejected. You can view the status of your application by providing the login information anytime. So if you want to status form, if the status is incomplete, log in and check whether you have filled all the mandatory fields and submit your application. And then if it is showing form complete, your form is submitted for committee review. Then later you will be intimated via email or post if you are shortlisted for interview. Then if you have any queries, you can contact these persons using their mail ID. And they have given a note for general queries about PhD program. If you have queries about generally about the PhD program, you can write to dean@iacr.mohali.ac.in. You are strongly urged to read frequently asked questions before submitting your query through email. Regarding online application facility or login issues, you may write to this mail ID. And if you want to see the link provided for the PhD admissions, go to the website first, and this is the website for IISER Mohali. They have given in news and announcements admissions to PhD program. You can get all this information here. I hope this video would be useful. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends and subscribe to our channel to get more updates on education. Thank you so much for watching.